Hey everybody, this is Jake Malone down here at J Malone Motors. We just got some breaking news here from Motor Trend. They are naming the Ford Maverick as the truck of the year based on multiple things such as the fuel economy, the safety, the design, the engineering of it. It is listed as 26's Motor Trend truck of the year. And basically their quote was, it is a near perfect truck. So if you're interested in getting into a Ford Maverick, give us a call. We have multiple down here on the lot right now. Our number is 320-587-4748. Thank you.